best thing I could do right now.
Yeah, it's come with a little bit of oil. You know the vibes, man. You know the fucking vibes, man. Alright. So, you got space, you can see. Basically, you want to get that hole, like right there into that hole, if you can. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in?
Yeah.
It's tight? Like, you can't pull it out.
It's the only space you got, right?
I'm saying you can't pull it out, right? Like, yeah, that's tight.
Yeah.
Alright, now to assemble this shit back together. Have some fun.